snowbanks. That must be the left he's talking about right there, huh?
Mm-hmm.
I hope that's the left. Yeah, I can see there's another road coming off. He said go back east. See that? So we're going east. If he ain't led us down a wild goose chase. See, that's where we was, way down there.
And a red Jeep's coming.
And it took us all this time. We started up there at 12:38, and it's 1:30 now. And it was supposed to be 10 minutes, according to that one guy.
There's a red Jeep coming.
Yeah. Pretty narrow up here, but it ain't bad. Ain't bad road. That dirty snow there, ain't it?
Oh,
It's way down.
I'm not scraping my fingers on that.
Stick your hand in that stuff. But that hippie, he seemed pretty square, didn't he?
Look, the mine is almost right below us.
Yeah. Yep, there's the mine straight below us. Okay, I'm signing out.